In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to create a Lightbox in Wix Studio. If you're ready to elevate your website's user experience by adding some dynamic visual elements, you've come to the right place. Let's get started. First, head over to Wix Studio, a fantastic web platform that's been tailored specifically for agencies and enterprises looking to create sophisticated websites with ease. Once you're on the website, you'll see the option to log in. Click on Login to proceed. Now, if you haven't logged in yet, you'll be presented with various options to sign in. For a seamless experience, click on Continue with Google, which is a convenient and quick option if you've already got your Google account linked. Once you're successfully logged into Wix Studio, the adventure begins. Look towards the editor interface. You'll notice a plus icon, a gateway to a plethora of creative options. Give that plus icon a click. This will unveil a range of elements you can add to your website, from text boxes to images, but today we're zooming in on light boxes. Now, as you explore this panel, locate the Layout Tools section. Click there to delve deeper into the customizable features Wix has to offer. Among these features, find and click on light boxes. Selecting this prompts an exciting moment. You get to choose a template that best suits the aesthetic and functional needs of your site. Browse through the available options and select the template that resonates with your vision. With your template selected, let's add some media to make this lightbox unique and attention grabbing. You'll see an Add Media button, so go ahead and click on it. This brings you to a variety of image options. If you're looking to keep things cost effective, simply select a free image from the choices provided. It's a great way to access high quality visuals without breaking the bank. After you've found the perfect image, click Add to Page. This step integrates your chosen media with the Lightbox, adding that visual flair that engages and captivates visitors. Finally, with everything set up just the way you like it, click Done. This ensures that all your changes are saved and your Lightbox is ready to be published on your site. And there you have it. You've successfully created a Lightbox in Wix Studio, enhancing your website's interactivity and visual appeal in just a few simple steps. Feel free to revisit these steps if you need to make more tweaks or adjustments in the future. Thanks for watching, and happy web designing.